I came here to talk something about a podcast I recently listened a few days ago. The podcast is about programming and what will AI do in the future. And the main guest was I don't remember his name, but he is a worker in the Bangladeshi famous uh, programming bootcamp training, or it can be a institution which was founded by Shankar Mahabub. He is a worker in the programming hero, and he talks various important things in this podcast. uh, he said that one should be always um, one should be must learning, and he was questioned that is AI a problem for the programming based jobs and works. He answered that there is a biasness in human minds that um, negative the about AI on programming. The host was Navi Salim and his friend. They questioned a lot, and I can't remember all of this, but I can summarize something that AI cannot replace the programming based uh, jobs or works, and learning programming is must essential, and they said the skills on English is very necessary for everything, everywhere. um, the they sells a bootcamp training about on the um, web develop web developing, and it's the um, season session is about 6 months, and then one is about to ready for joining in the web developed based work, but maximum of this cannot do the um, training totally, because it is so long, and it is very hard to manage all the course um, to finish the course all along.